earmuffs. Look, just what I do.
And that one's for me.
And which present is
From Mom and Dad. Still. This one's for me.
This one's from Santa.
This one's from Ian. These two are for me. This one's for me. And this one's for me. A giraffe! Look, that's when you love this. But I'm going to keep it. A blue DSi. All of these are mine.
I wonder what was red from.
I wonder what this is.
Do you like blue though?
I do.
I looked through a lot of it. I wonder what this present. Why the giant present?
We'll catch up for our collection.
Right?
Morgan, look what I got.
What? I'm getting.
Look what I got.
A Nerf gun, just like you always wanted.
Ian, this one's gonna take a long time to rip.
I just opened one and it was the Nerf gun. Well, Christmas morning. Well, I hope it's what
There's
I
all my
want.
presents. And it's from
Well,
Mom
some
and
of
Dad.
these presents are from we can all play with.
One of my presents we can all play with. And this present is going to be my favorite.
What?
Clothes. I got
Earmuffs. No tights. I thought you were gonna get earmuffs like mine. White and fuzzy.
Morgan was an efficient present opener. Hey,
no earmuffs.
Has someone opened those?
Those last two are for me.
Morgan, can you help Ian with the phone?
Sure. That's hard.
There
Looks
it
like I was so quick at this present was from Santa. Nope, this was from Mom and Dad. The bowl is hot. I just got all these presents
From Mom and
I
Dad.
think we can do it for nursery.
Two Maggie from Mom and Dad.
There, got it started for you. And I wonder what it is. Like glitter. It's the holidays. It's going to be a big Mario.
It's a Mario Wii.
Mario Wii. A big one.
Oh, we can play that on the Wii. It's a
You okay?
Skateboard. You can just skateboard it.
well, we can look all the way with that.
Yep. Because that was not made for one person to play.
Cool. Cool.
Clue.
Clue.
Yeah.
super tape. Penny pet shops.
And you can play that.
This one's finally for me.
I'm gonna open all these. I'm gonna open my DS and show what it is. And this box.
This is my
Oh,
last
you need to
hope
get
for
the
what I
tape
wanted
from the words.
Mom and Dad. It's something that starts with a C and another thing that starts with a C.
Clothes.
No, Crayola Cream Maker. That's what I really want.
Well, instead earmuffs. You think that would come useful?
My DS is hard in the
Picture.
How did if I don't do this?
Shout it! Twist it! Twist it! Pull it! Pass it!
You've got it on the
Twist it!
multiplayer game.
Bop it! Bop it! Pull it! Shout it!
Yeah.
Pass it! Shout it!
Yeah.
Twist it! Shout it!
Oh, these three back on it.
Twist it!
Did you get these three back on? Yeah. Set. Go. I just splatted right there. I have the feeling.
Sit down. Was it fun?
Yeah.
You like the snow, Ian?
Yay. Yeah, I just brought that your shovel.
Thanks, E.
No. Okay, Maggie, hang on. Hang on. No.
Maggie's not seated yet.